Hey, Larry.
Hey, Gitai, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. How are you?
I'm great. Do you have any plans for the spring coming up?
No, I was actually looking for somewhere fun to go.
Really? Somewhere fun? You know what comes to my mind? Florida. Florida is actually a great place, and it's a coincidence that we're having a youth convention in Florida from March 14 to 16. I think it's going to be great. We're going to be worshiping God, and it's going to have a lot of fun. A lot of people like you and me. A lot of people.
Oh, wow.
How are you?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
You're looking good, dog.
Thank you.
Oh, I heard you guys talking about Florida program.
Yeah, the youth
I
convention.
You don't want to miss it because I will be there. Last year, I was on this one that we did that had at Cincinnati. Wow, it was wonderful. And this year is going to be wonderful. The power pack, the spirit view, everything's going to be blessed. And not just that alone, I think he tell you about weekends at the beach.
Oh, wow. That sounds awesome.
Really awesome. Lakeland district in Florida. Yeah, and I will be there. And I'm telling you, I won't miss it for anything on earth. And I'm sure if you're planning, you're going to love it.
All right. Well, if you guys are there, you guys can count me in.
Sure, yeah, definitely.
A lot of people our age. We have a lot of friends that are also coming in too. Oh, hey guys.
Oh, hey. How are you guys?
Will you guys all be there? We will all.
Yeah, well,
March 14th through 16th,
2025.
See you there.